find helpful. But if you want it, you need to help me with something. I have been researching this disease for many years now. Kuru has been endemic to the indigenous people here for centuries. This outbreak is one of many, and each incident is a little different, as is the trigger that reawakens the plague. It's truly remarkable how this prion disease adapts and changes, how it mutates when exposed to external factors, the speed at which it affects the host organism. Astonishing, really. But science can be unpredictable. Dangerous even, you understand? Yeah.
So is that why there are all those bodies in the greenhouse?
A truly unfortunate accident, one that was largely the fault of my assistants. I assure you, I had very little to do with what happened out there.
You know, I'm still waiting to hear what you want from me.
I am merely trying to make it clear that I am not an evil man. In times such as these, it is easy for men of science to be blamed, persecuted for their actions. Especially by people who possess lesser minds. My 4 assistants were in possession of some reagents, chemicals, contained within vials. Unfortunately, those vials are out there in the greenhouse. Bring them to me, and I will give you the map. Do we have a deal?
All right.
You will probably need to kill all 4 of them in order to secure the vials. But there is no saving them now. You will be putting them out of their misery.
What's done is done. Just have the map ready to go.
I cannot conduct my tests without the reagents.
Jesus Christ.
Do this test for me, and the map is yours.
I'll take that reagent. Stay the fuck down! There's one. I'll take that reagent. There's one. That's the last one. Time to haul ass.
Good. Now I can conduct my tests. I only require a sample of your blood.
Oh, you can't be serious. Give me the map before this turns ugly.
I am doing a poor job of explaining myself. You are clearly immune, that much is certain. But that does not mean that you are safe. There is a strong possibility that the virus is in your body. And if it is, it could mutate. And depending on how it mutates, you could be in grave danger. All I need is a small blood sample. I run a simple test and then we'll know. This is for your own good.
Here, do it.
Okay, you will feel a little prick. Nothing to worry about. Do this task for me and the map is yours. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? If I had a little sweet, I would give you one.
Ah, Jesus Christ on a pony.
I was merely trying to...
What have we got here?
Oh, let me take a moment to prepare the sample. Please be patient. This is truly astonishing. I've got your results. You are completely resistant to the virus.
I already knew that, Kessler.
No, it is not what you think. Your resistance to the virus has kept it from multiplying, from wreaking havoc on your body. But it has not destroyed the virus. It has merely suppressed it. You need to be very careful. Any contact with certain types of reagents could trigger a mutation. And if the virus mutates, it stands to reason that you could lose your immunity. Or much, much, much worse. Unfortunately, there are so many factors to consider that it is impossible for me to tell you exactly what might happen. But one thing is clear. You should avoid anything that would put you at risk.
What are you talking about?
Your plan was to use the tunnels to reach Henderson, correct? Yes, the Japanese created them during World War II, and later they were used to store chemical weapons. In the 50s, during a monsoon, there was a leak, and some of those chemicals worked their way into the water. The Aussies sent in a battalion of engineers and soldiers to clean them up, but they weren't successful. When they went into the tunnels, one of them must have been infected. The virus mutated and all hell broke loose. The Aussies had to blow the entrances to prevent the infection from spreading. Most of the men were still down in the tunnels. I have long suspected that exposure to those chemicals is what caused the infected soldier to mutate. Anyway, you need to find the old Jesuit mission. A passageway runs from the ruins down into the tunnels. Here is the map, as I promised. I cannot stop you from going down there. That is your decision. But if you do, use an abundance of caution. Try to avoid prolonged exposure to the chemicals. I wish you best of luck.
Heaps. Hello, answer me.
Thank God, I was starting to worry. Did you get the map from Kessler?
Yeah, I got it. Tunnels might be a problem, though.
You can fill me in when we meet up. Where are you going now?
I'm gonna find the entrance to the tunnels. How can I help?
We need more data for my research if I'm going to be able to help you. If you're heading to the tunnels, please, be observant. Bring me whatever unusual you find there. Will you?
Yep.
Excellent. There might be a strange substance or a monster that you have not seen before. Maybe some trace from the Australian force.
Lived here all my life, and I've never seen the water this high before. The village here's been absolutely devastated. Oh, incredible. Really incredible.
You see the entrance?
I'm looking for it. Pretty impressive. Got eyes on a door. Found some stairs. I think they lead down into a crypt.
How's the entrance? Is it accessible?
Unless you have some diving gear, the answer's no. Completely flooded.
Shit. All right. Stay there. We're on our way down. Maybe Trevor can figure something out.
Roger that.
Damn it.
Jesus, that was close. You good? Okay, Trevor, get us out of here.
Oh, shit! Watch out!
I agreed to do that showing, but no.
Wow.
Part of the deal was
These ruins are beautiful, aren't they?
This turned out to be, eh?
It almost makes you forget what's out there.
Maybe the
jungle.
tunnels won't be so bad.
They bombed the bridges and the roads to prevent any movement of the civilian population. And now they're ordering us to kill any villagers who escape the firebombings. Not just the infected, but everyone. Men, women, children.
We don't know how to deal with this water.
We're not going anywhere till that water's dealt with.
I need a pump. Before we left, I talked to an old man from Hawaii. He worked in these tunnels when the Aussies were here, and he said there's still equipment in a workroom not far from here. There should be a pump in there. Can you bring it back?
Agreed.
Good. Once you bring the pump back, I'll take care of this water.
Everyone's holding up about as well as you'd expect. They can't keep... this up forever. The stress is...
How the hell am I gonna get in there? I know you felt that one. Hey, Trevor. I found the pump.
Right. Bring it here.
Sure thing, mate.
They had us abandon the village. They told us to get out immediately, and I've no idea why. They say this in is out of control and spreading across the island. I have family in Henderson, but no one will bloody tell me what's happening there. If they're so worried about containing the bloody infection, why would they tell us to evacuate? They said we'd be safer. Did you hear that? Is that air support? Are they airdropping supplies for the villagers? I hope so. Those people are starving. Yeah, it makes sense they drop air supplies since they blockaded the highway in and out of it. Oh my God, what are they doing? Are they firebombing the bloody village? Jesus Christ, they're burning them alive! This can't be right! What the hell are they doing?
Yeah, now you're dead.
Bonjour. You looking for firearms?
Get in the ground.
Everything here is of the highest quality. I do not deal in rubbish. You need weapons? Of course you do. What else would you
I'd kill for a hot shower right now. You can... Thanks a lot.
Let's see what that pump can do. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
If I never see this bloody jungle again, it'll be too soon. Reminds me of Dragonback Park.
God only knows what's down there. We need to be ready.
This better work.
I just hope Sarah knows what he's doing.
Let's get to it.
Let's see what that pump can do.
Well, if you're ready, so am I.
I just hope Sarah knows.
Is this piece of junk even gonna work?
Now, this is an old Rusky machine. Let's hope those commies knew what they were doing.
Absolutely.
Let's see what it can do.
Everyone's holding up about as well as you'd expect. They can't keep this up forever. The stress is too much.
Trevor will know how to get this door open.
Trevor on top of that shit, man. You got it all figured out.
Kill him! Turn this thing off.
They're attacking
now.
from all sides! Come on, they're close!
These walls aren't going to protect us. We need to use the mines.
Let's put the barricades right over here.
Let's put these mines to good use. Just don't blow yourself up in the process.
Now, once we get the water down, the door shouldn't be a problem.
It's never that easy, is it?
Extraordinary circumstances require extraordinary measures.
Remember, we got that box full of mines, too.
Do not turn that thing on until we're set up to defend ourselves.
The noise from the pump is going to keep attracting them. And it's going to take a while to drain all that water. There's no way we'll survive with the weapons we have.
Hey, I can deploy the mines!
They'll help, but they're not going to be enough. Listen, a military chopper went down near the village. None of the poor bastards on board survived the crash, but their weapons might have. Head over there and see what you can salvage.
Right.
And get back here as soon as you can. If those things attack while you're gone, we're finished.
Look out!
Remember, we got that box full
Turn
of
that thing
mines,
on
too.
until we're set up to defend ourselves.
Look out!
Yep.
Too bad this pump is so damn loud. Let's put these mines to good use. Just don't... Yeah, that works.
This pump will fit here. I've used it before.
Did you see that material by the walls? Use it to set up a barrier. Watch it!
Go look for the chopper.
Remember, we got that box full of mines.
Take anything you want. Anything. I must go to my children. I must be terrified.
Well, I found the chopper. It's BIDF.
Look inside. There's got to be something we can use.
Ha ha ha! Found the guns!
All right, then. Come on back and we'll get this party started.
How about I break something else? Perhaps I can help.
You see that supply crate over there? The military drop a couple more of them in the jungle. I found a method to track them. If you go look for them and bring me the food, you can take everything else. What do you say?
Sure thing.
Each crate has a transmitter. It will activate when close to the device. When you get close, it will emit a beeping signal. Just follow it.
That must be the signal from the crate. This could be useful. What have we here? That must be the signal from the crate. This could be useful. far. That must be the signal from the crate. This could be useful. I have everything.
You could... So, you came after me, I see. You think I'm dangerous.
I can't let you walk away and hurt anybody else.
And now I must die. Can't you see what I was trying to do?
Christ, what a maniac.
Thank you. You've helped us a lot. Take this for the trouble. I've got a proposition for you.
Look, the people I'm with are hungry and tired. Where can I find some supplies?
The smugglers had a bunker near a big laboratory, and I believe it's been abandoned for a while now. There's a lot of equipment still there, stuff we can both use. Go check it out. If you bring me a gun, we'll call it even. I'm especially fond of the old ones. They are reliable. Like a Magnum or a Colt. You can take everything else and I'll even give you a little something extra. What do you say?
Sure.
Great. But you will need to be careful. The whole place is mined.
Yeah, that'll teach ya.
We can move the gun to another spot. Keep an eye out.
Oh, man, maybe we should just bail it out with buckets.
Now what? We just wait here until they come for us?
I don't want to stay here another minute longer than...
Okay, Trevor. You can turn it back on.
All right, you sure? Everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right, then. You better get out there and give the others a hand.
Everyone's holding up about as well as you'd expect. They can't keep this up forever.
You got this. Everyone to the front! Keep them back!
Defend the gate side! They're coming from the gate! Don't let them get behind you!
Head to the gate! They're coming from the gate!
Headshot!
Let's give these fuckers a flogging! We're up Shit's Creek now. Watch out! Here they are! There's one! Kill them!
Stay the fuck down!
Keep them back!
They're surrounding us! From the cemetery!
Don't let them in!
How'd that feel, fuckwit? That did some damage.
Either side!
They're surrounding us!
They're coming from all sides. Defend, brothers!
Put up barricades. Cover the gaps. Keep them back.
Kill them!
I know you felt that one.
Get it out! Get it out!
Thanks a lot.
Here they come!
Holy shit!
Shit's crazy.
Infecting!
Half of these assholes are dead.
Incoming! Keep them back!
Kill them! Let's give these fuckers a flogging.
Watch it! Hey!
Thank you so much. Here they are!
Hostile spotted!
Let go! Let me go! It's time for these guys to die!
Dead for good.
Look at them all! They're up shit's creek now.
Incoming! Zombies! They're coming! Here they come! Damn! More of them! Bloody zombies! I've seen professional soldiers fold faster than you folks.
That's the last of them.
Good job, everyone.
Now, time to
Time to
check out
get
those
this plan
tunnels.
into action. Watch your step and keep your eyes open. We don't know what's down there.
We did it! The water's out!
Everyone's holding up about as well as
The
you.
water's all pumped out and the entrance is
They
wide
can't
open.
keep this up forever.
I'm ready to go, Trevor.
Stress
Any words
is
of
too
encouragement?
much.
Right. I didn't think so.
We don't know what's down there, so be careful.
Let's keep contact. I'll report if anything comes up.
Good luck.
You got it.
All right, take care down there. We'll follow as soon as we get the all clear from you.
Watch out!
God only knows what's down there. We need to be ready.